Today I'm so excited because finally I have the opportunity to learn how to make Peruvian cuisine. Oh, by the way, do you like my apron?
You have water in the jug?
Yeah.
You can use water instead of
Okay.
Pisco. You don't want to make it alcoholic, or you want to drink alcoholic.
Okay. So this is two
That's a two, yeah.
full.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Can I like do half?
Yeah, you can do half
Yeah.
water, half Pisco.
So that would be half.
So, yeah.
Yeah, so the small one's half.
This is half.
This is half. Oh, okay. All right. So this is one portion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pour it in,
Yeah, put it in.
and one portion of water.
And water, yeah.
I can smell that.
Yeah, if you like it sweet, do a very full one. If you like it more a bit drier. It smells delicious. This is my favorite smell. Also, like throw in a blender, pulse it, and then you press it through the tasties. This passion fruit. This is yeah, fruit and eggs. Tight. Okay, tight. Forget the hard. You don't say how you get the straw. Alright, take until you get the form. The straw. Very good.
Time since I danced all night, moving through the lights. It's been a long time. Wanna take you out, we can make it right. Don't wanna be alone anywhere. Need a new love and I think that it's fair. I'm still looking for someone I can share all the things that's really goes inside me. Take me, baby, I just wanna see something new. Take me, baby, girl, you know I'm going after you. Girl, you know I'm going after you. It's been a long time. If I count my way, can I make you
We have just finished the class. Christian taught us a lot about food in very fluent English. The experience was amazing. Food was delicious and it was not difficult to make. The one that I had is a lunch menu. He also has a dinner menu which has different ingredients. The price is $48. I think it's quite fair for a high quality cooking class. There's some art fair here. Let's see if I'm able to buy anything. There's so many nice things to buy in Peru, but still I'm not able to get a pair of earrings. It's a tuk-tuk. Yes. What's going on here? The Pisco sour was too strong. Now I need to find another drink to dilute it. Yes, I bring you guys to a Starbucks, but don't kill me because I would like to have some real matcha latte. And by the way, it is very nice upstairs.
I'm gonna enjoy my matcha latte now. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye!